How to search and join public Telegram channels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that your Telegram application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store and search for Telegram application and see if there are any updates available. Now as you can see, my app does not have any updates available, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of the Telegram application. Then you can see the home page and you can see the search bar at the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on that, and on the search bar you can just search for any group that you want to be part of. Here I'm just typing hi and chat. So just type in hi chat. Now just search for it and wait for a while until it gives you options. So here are some options. If you want to look more, then you can just tap on show more. Then you can see different options of the groups that you want to be part of, and you can just select any one that you like. So here I'm just choosing any random group chat that okay, so I've gone, and here you have the option of join at the very bottom of the screen. Just tap on that, and after that you will be joined and you can message in the group. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.